February meeting, correct? 1st of February. Welcome back, everyone, and nice to see everyone bright and breezy and all tanned up and ready to go. And welcome members of the public and our staff, members of the press, and all our international visitors on webcam. Is that all going? So, very good. Now, if I could just ask Councillor Tonganui Kingi from the Turangi area to, if you could avail us with a karakia, please, Councillor Kingi. Thank you very much, Councillor Kingi. Item number 1, apologies. Looks like we have a full house, so no apologies. Great.